watch her do the ping pong ball. Morgan, there's a fly in your head. It's not gonna give up. You should hit it with your ping pong ball. Morgan's number one. Are you alright, Morgan?